We're going to finish this chapter with a project on transformations in the coordinate plane. This is going to take several days to do. We're going to do each transformation one day at a time. I will walk you through how to do the project. First, let me show you some examples of some completed projects. It will be the first step. You're going to come up with a picture and put it in a coordinate plane. Then you're going to translate it, reflect it, and rotate it. This one's not completed because it does not have any color. Here's another example. This is original. They took this figure, they translated it, they reflected it, and they rotated it. Let me give you one more example. Here's the person's original. They translated it, reflected it, and rotated it. As I mentioned before, we're going to take this project one page at a time. So today's goal is to come up with a design that you're going to be translating. The rule is that you need to have at least 10 ordered pairs in your design. You can have more, but you cannot have less. So I did attach this original page to Google Classroom today. If you're someone that has the ability to print, I highly suggest that you print this out and use this for this project. But if you're someone that does not have the ability to print, you're going to want to use graph paper. So I'm going to show you what to do on graph paper. If you're someone that can print, you're going to be doing this right here in this box. You're going to come up with a figure to translate, reflect, and rotate in the coordinate plane. So I'm going to draw the first quadrant just like it did on that worksheet. And the worksheet goes, this is the first quadrant, it goes from 1 to 10, well, it goes from 1 to 12 on the x-axis and 1 to 12 on the y-axis. So I can label this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to do the same on the y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now you get to come up with your own design. It can't be a number 1 because I showed you that. It cannot be a whale because I showed you that. And it cannot be this heart design because I showed you that. I think what I'm going to do for my example is the letter T. So again, you cannot use a letter T. So this might be a little guessing and checking. I'm going to just draw a letter T and see if I like it. Maybe I erase it and try something else. Yeah, so I'm already seeing that this is 3, this is 2. I don't like that, so maybe I make this 3 boxes long. Okay, so I'm liking this design. Once you come up with your design, you're going to make it more permanent. That was just lightly. So I'm going to use a pencil and a ruler to make it look better. Okay, and then I need to come up with ordered pairs that make the design. When I come up with my ordered pairs, I need to put the ordered pairs wherever 2 lines meet. For example, this is going to be an ordered pair because 2 lines meet or the lines change directions. So let me give you an example of where I would not put an ordered pair. I would not put an ordered pair here because the line doesn't change direction. But I would put an ordered pair here because the line changes direction. Anytime that your line changes direction. Notice I'm also labeling them A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. You need 10 of these ordered pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I only have 8, so my figure is not going to work. I'm going to leave this like this for this example, but if you end up getting a figure that has less than 10 ordered pairs, you need to go back and rework your design. You cannot just draw ordered pairs wherever you want. You only put the ordered pairs where the lines change direction. Once you have your figure drawn and your ordered pairs wherever the lines change direction and labeled with letters, you're going to do this part right here. List the ordered pairs below. If you use this original sheet, you can do it right on here. If you use graph paper, just list your ordered pairs underneath your coordinate plane. So A is the ordered pair 3, 9. B is the ordered pair 11, 9. C is 11, 7. D is 8, 7. Okay, so on and so forth. I didn't finish this yet. I would have to keep going. When I'm done making my design, putting the ordered pairs, labeling the ordered pairs, and writing down all the ordered pairs, I do want you to outline with black marker or Sharpie, outline your figure, and outline your letters in black or Sharpie. Color your design with any colors you want. So markers, crayons, colored pencils all work. Again, let me show you an example of what I'm looking at here. This one is outlined in black, the letters are in black, and then I colored the design. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to email me.